Deep divisions have emerged within ZANU-PF after President Mnangagwa insisted that Zimbabwe's harmonized elections will proceed in 2028, despite growing calls from party hardliners to postpone the polls. Sabina mashoko vanhu panguva ine vototi confusion yakarwa muZANU-PF into CHAMISA after mutungamiri wenyika ati ma-elections muna 2028 aripo, but kunokwanzi ma-hardliners eZANU-PF they were rallying vachiti Vision 2030 ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV now ziri mwamudanyipa mchinzi. Addressing the 127th ordinary session of the Central Committee at the ZANU-PF headquarters on Thursday, Mnangagwa urged party structures to begin preparing for the elections. His remarks, however, exposed a widening rift within the party, as some influential figures are believed to be lobbying for a delay to extend Mnangagwa's grip on power. In quotes, it is important that we introspect as a party of the bigger picture that we must win the 2028 harmonized elections. The Central Committee must have robust and frank discussions to foster solutions in unity to realize our common vision, Mnangagwa said. While he tried to present a united front, insiders suggested that the president's words were a thinly veiled attempt to silence dissenting voices within the party. Hardliners argue that the economic crisis, global shocks, and internal instability make holding elections in 2028 risky for ZANU-PF's survival. Mnangagwa pointed to infrastructure development, youth and women empowerment, and rural modernization as evidence that his Vision 2030 remains on course. But critics, when critics within the party dismissed these claims as empty rhetoric, saying the majority of Zimbabweans are yet to see the tangible benefits. The presidency's insistence on pressing ahead with the 2028 elections highlights a growing discord within ZANU-PF, with the factions pulling in different directions, and the succession debate continues to hound the ruling party. Those zviripo muZimbabwe panokwanzi mutungamiri wenyika anodeclare kuti aiwa harmonized elections achanga aripo muna 2028, but pane chaos iri kuitika panguva ino. People they are not seeing kuzviona zviri credible, and net chaos yakazara zvinyasa kunongwa kunzi kuitwa kwema-elections muna 2028 kungatosplita ZANU-PF, zvingatonyasa kubuda pachena. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.